this concept comes from a popular interior design style, which is the minimalist design. Minimalist interior design is an approach where the elements of the structure are simplified to their essential components. This means creating a simple, clean, uncluttered space and open floor plan with a concise color palette. To achieve this style, it also needs a combination of right flooring material. And today, we'll give you some tips and ideas on what design of floor tile can make a minimalist interior. Large format tiles. Using large format tile actually makes our room look spacious and clean. The effect of less ground light makes a seamless look and openness minimalist style. Plain color, subtle white or black marble, and simple stone designs are actually good to use. Neutral colors. This is an essential feature for a minimalist design. Using neutral palette such as white, beige, brown, black, and gray colors in your tile are one of the best choices in making simple and modern look. Wood-block tiles are a great example to use when you want an inviting ambience for a minimalist style. Softer hues of brown and softer wood grains should be the choice, which adds warmth and comfort to any room. Concrete or cement design tiles. We all know concrete or cement design tiles are typically used on industrial interiors. However, concrete tile is also ideal when it comes to minimalist style as it creates clean and balanced color palette. Now remember that minimalist style requires little decoration, ornamentation, and extravagant details. Minimalist is all about neatness, purity, and neutral colors. To see more selection of I Love Spanish tiles and My Style My tiles that will fit to your minimalist design, visit at any CW Home Depot branch and Cebu Home and Builders, or you may check our website at talentinspirations.com.ph.